Welcome back. I'm Wicked Skill, and this is Wicked Tech Labs. Today, for Streamer.Bot, I'm going to be showing you how you can use channel point redeems for sound effects. If this is your first time visiting the channel, I appreciate you being here. I make how-to videos to help streamers and content creators learn how to do things with their channel. If I've helped you out, please help me out by sharing my videos out to your friends. Now, whether you make your own sound alerts or you download sound alerts, it doesn't really matter as long as you have an MP3 file. I'll go ahead and leave this link here in the description of the video if you want to use this website. All you got to do is search for what you're looking for, press the button to listen to it, and then you can click here and then download it. Be careful when you're pressing these buttons though, they can be very loud, so make sure to turn your headset down or your volume down before you press them. Now onto what you came here for, Streamer.Bot. Under the Actions tab on the left hand side for Actions, go ahead and right click and press Add. I'm just going to go ahead and call my first one Sounds, just so you get an idea of how to make it. And I'm going to put it in my YouTube test file right here. You can make one, label it, whatever you want to label it, however it's easiest for you to find it. And we're going to leave all these boxes unchecked. Go ahead and hit OK. From there, we're going to make the trigger. So under Triggers, right click, go down to Twitch, and then go to Channel Reward and Reward Redemption. We're going to click Create a Reward. We're going to name it Sounds for me, just because this is a test. You're going to label it whatever you want your chat to see. You're going to change the cost of it if you want it to cost a certain amount of points. And then you can leave a prompt here if you want a prompt to be when they click the button to see what it's going to do. You can change the background color to any color you'd like. You can set how many times it can be used per stream. And then you can also set a global cooldown. I usually recommend setting one of these just so that it can't get spammed. And then if you have anything else you want to set down here, you can as well. If you want to assign it to a special group within your channel point redemptions or how often it's been used, you can do that as well here. And then we're going to go ahead and click OK. And then click OK one more time. Now for the sub actions, you're going to go ahead and right click in the white box. You're going to go to Core, you're going to go Sounds, and then you're going to go to Play Sound. It's going to bring this up. I've already set one up, so I already have the files found. When you bring it up, it's going to go ahead and select a file using the three dots here. You're going to go ahead and leave this check marked if you aren't going to put any other actions. If you are going to put other actions behind it, you might want to take this off. And then you can change the volume of the sound here if you don't have volume control already on the sound. You can test it so you can hear it here, and then change the volume again and test it again to make sure it's at the proper volume before you stream. And then press OK. Now you can see here, we have our Sounds action, our Twitch redemption, and our action to play a sound. If you go to your Twitch channel and press the rewards, you can see it here, new sounds, and I had mine for 100 points. If you press it, as long as you have your OBS open or your Streamer.Bot open, wherever your audio is coming from, it should work just fine. Now, just like in my previous videos, I will go ahead and leave the import code in the description. It doesn't take a lot of ease out of this command, but it does take a little bit of the legwork of finding where everything's at. All you'll need to do is go to import, go ahead and paste the string here that I leave in the description, and press import. Once it's imported, you can right click on sounds and go to edit. You can put the name of your sound here and change it to whatever group you'd like to have it in. Then you're going to need to go to the triggers. You're going to go to right click, edit trigger, and then create a reward because you don't have one. Name it once again to whatever sounds you want to call it. Put the proper amount of cost in here. Change the color of the background that you want it to be. If you want any max usages or global cooldowns, make sure to enter those here and press OK. Then under the sub actions, you're just going to right click and you're going to go to edit sub action. And then in here, you'll press the three dots and find whatever sounds you want it to be. Go ahead and change the volume and test until you get it to the proper level and hit OK. Thank you for coming back for another Tech Lab video. If you enjoyed the videos, please subscribe to the channel and help us to get to that big 1,000. Share the videos out to your friends to help us get there faster. Also, if you liked the video, comment on it and let me know what you like or what you'd like to see from me, and leave a like on the video to help us with the algorithm.